Have you ever wondered what someone's eyes are really saying? It's like there's a hidden message behind every glance, but decoding it can feel like solving a puzzle. So, what does their eye contact actually mean? Let's break it down. Eye contact isn't just about looking at someone, it's about communicating without words. Whether it's a fleeting glance or a steady gaze, understanding someone else's eye contact can give you insight into what they're thinking, feeling, or even what they want from you. The tricky part? Eye contact can mean different things in different situations. So, let's dive into the clues that help you interpret what someone's eye contact might be saying. Number 1. Short glances. When someone gives you a brief, quick look, it can mean several things. Often, short glances suggest that the person is interested but hesitant. They might be curious about you, but they're not ready to fully engage. Short glances could also indicate distraction, they're thinking about something else but still checking in with you. Picture this, you're talking to a coworker, and they keep glancing at you briefly but then look away. This could mean they're interested in the conversation but might be nervous about fully engaging, or they're juggling multiple thoughts at once. Number 2. Prolonged eye contact. Prolonged eye contact is usually a sign of strong interest, whether positive or negative. If someone holds eye contact with you for an extended period, they're either deeply engaged in what you're saying or trying to communicate something important. On the flip side, prolonged eye contact can also be a challenge or show dominance, especially if it feels intense. Imagine you're on a date, and the other person maintains eye contact longer than usual. This can indicate they're really into you and want to make a connection. But if it feels too intense, they might be trying to assert control or test your confidence. Number 3. Avoiding eye contact. If someone consistently avoids eye contact, it can signal discomfort, anxiety, or even dishonesty. Avoiding your gaze might mean they're hiding something or feeling guilty, but it could also be a sign of shyness or social anxiety. It's important to consider the context. Sometimes, people just need a little time to warm up. During a meeting, if a colleague avoids eye contact while explaining something, it might suggest they're unsure of their ideas or not fully confident in what they're saying. But if you know they're generally shy, it could just be a sign of their nervousness. Number 4. Rapid eye movements. When someone's eyes are darting around, it usually indicates they're feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or trying to process a lot of information. Rapid eye movements can also suggest that the person is searching for the right words or considering multiple options in their mind. Picture yourself in a brainstorming session, and one person's eyes are moving quickly as they talk. They're likely thinking on their feet and trying to gather their thoughts, so give them a moment to find their focus. Number 5. Soft, relaxed eye contact. When someone's gaze is soft and relaxed, it's generally a good sign. It means they're comfortable with you and open to connecting. Soft eye contact usually indicates trust, warmth, and a genuine interest in the interaction. You're catching up with an old friend, and they maintain relaxed eye contact with a gentle smile. This suggests they're enjoying your company and feel at ease in your presence. Understanding someone's eye contact isn't about mind reading, it's about paying attention to the signals they're sending. By observing the duration, intensity, and context of their gaze, you can gain valuable insight into what they're thinking and feeling. Remember, it's all about context. What their eyes say in one situation might mean something entirely different in another. So, take your time, be patient, and soon, you'll be able to read the silent language of eye contact with ease.